Guangzhou WeiLongDa Electromechanical Equipment Company Limited, which established in 2000. Located in Huadu District, Guangzhou, where is only 20 minutes by car from Baiyun International Airport, is one of the leading automobile care and maintenance equipment manufacturers and suppliers. We can provide ODM and OEM services. The factory covers an area of around 18,000 square meters, specialized in manufacturing spray booth, prep station, painting lines and supplies, auto lift, car body repair system, wheel alignment, tire changer, wheel balancer, air compressor, and relevant garage equipment to the clients all over the world. Quality and safety control system is applied throughout the whole produce procedures, from design and the raw material purchasing to parts fabrication, from welding to coating, from the product's factory assembling to packing and loading. All the products are produced strictly according to quality management systems and CE standards. After years of investment and management, WeiLongDa has become an international brand, exporting to many countries by agents such as Italy, Germany, England, Ireland, Poland, Sweden, Finland, Belgium, Romania, Russia, Ukraine, America, Canada, Argentina, Uruguay, Australia, Nigeria, Angola, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, Libya, Iraq, Lebanon, Dubai, Japan, Vietnam, Philippines. We hope to cooperate with more customers for mutual development and benefits. Welcome to visit us. We are sincerely expecting to cooperate with you and win-win. Let's create bright future together.